Hello friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So in this session we will learn Bootstrap alert boxes. Okay, so alert boxes are easy way to create and also it will give you predefined alert messages for the users. Okay, so in alerts we have a different types of alerts available in Bootstrap. Like in order to create an alert, we use this alert class. Okay, and followed by the some contextual classes we have like alert success, alert info, alert warning, alert danger. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my Visual Studio. Okay, to create new file and we can save the file with alerts.html. Okay, so let me create a program here. So I'll give you a title alerts and let me set a bootstrap link. So here let me take link css bootstrap.min.css file. Okay, now let me take some br. So I'm just taking container. Okay, inside of container. So let me create an alert. Okay, to create an alert, we use an alert class. Okay, so this is an alert class. Now in this alert class, I'm just make it here the contextual class alert success. Okay, so inside of that, let me create this is an alert. This this is this alert indicates success. Indicates success messages. Okay, so I'm just make it this as strong position. We just add a strong text in order to give some importance for this. Okay, just cut, I can paste it here. Okay, let me run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so there we go. We created this alert boxes. Okay, so this is a successful alert box. Similarly, let me make it okay, let me make some copy of here. Okay, now let me add here alert danger. Okay, this alert indicates like danger messages, some warning type messages we can add here. I'm just adding here warning. This alert indicates a warning. And let me add here info. Some information messages we can put in this alert boxes info. And we can add here gray color box secondary. So secondary message like gray color messages. Gray color box messages. And we also have dark, so which indicates like black color box. Black color box. So go to this browser, reload this page. Look at this. We created here and different types of alerts. Okay, 1 second, guys. So we created here a successful alert boxes. Okay. Next, we also create links for this alert boxes. Okay. So we can create a links here. For creating a links, okay, so here I need to add some text for this. Okay, for this message I'm just clicking here, just add some link for this. Just click on me, class equal to, okay, we can use here an alert link. Okay, you just add here, a clickable link. Okay, like this we can add a link for the alert boxes. Similarly, let me make a copy of this. Okay, like we can add here a link here. Okay, next thing, to closing these alerts. Okay, so we can create a closing button here by using a JavaScript. Okay, so for JavaScript, for this alert boxes, we need to create here a JS link. Okay, we can write here the script src. Okay, JS bootstrap.min.js file. And along with that, we need to mention, okay, yeah, this is enough. We need to add here data dash attributes inside of alert boxes. Okay, to dismiss this alert, we have one class is called alert dismissible. Okay, so we can add this class inside of here. Okay, I am just adding here alert dismissible. Okay, so after that, let me add one button inside of this here. Let me create one button here and just write here type equal to button. Okay, I'm just adding one class here, class equal to btn close, and let me add here a data bs dismiss equal to alert boxes. Okay, let me go to let's reload this page. So when you click on this one, so automatically the alert will be closed. Again, you can reload this. Okay, like this we can create this alert boxes. Similarly, let me copy of this and we can paste it here. Okay, and just add here the same class for here itself. Okay, go to this, just reload this. Look at this. Okay, like this we can use this alert boxes.